classmates Miguel, Romina, Alicia, and Clarissa, we're going to explain how can we apply differential calculus in economics. But first, we need to understand what it is. Differential calculus is a branch of mathematical analysis that deals with the problem of finding the rate of change of a function with the respect of the variable on which it depends. Also, it involves calculating derivatives and using them to solve problems involving non-constant rates of change. Typical applications include finding maximum and minimum values of functions in order to solve practical problems in optimization.
Oh, I didn't see you there. But did you know that when applying differential calculus in economics, we are referring to the counts that can be applied in economics for profit optimization? It studies derivatives which become differences, so we can solve a function with a small change in the function variable. Something really interesting is that in modern economics, we use fundamental concepts and methods in the economic theory. Did you know that?
This allows the use of differential and integral calculus to describe economic phenomena, effects, and processes, meaning that the biggest use of it in economics is in simplifying economic problems, which are optimizing profits and balancing supplies and demand the prices. Problems in the economy can be simplified by limiting the number of variables by assuming that other variables remain constant. And because differential calculus is all about variables and derivatives, it can be used really easily, and it is becoming more accessible.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Well, it's time for me to explain. To take an example, we are using a study made where it shows that the buyer's economic order quantity and the vendor's optimal number of deliveries are derived by setting the first derivatives to zero and solving the simultaneous equations. Such derivatives also are the key to the formulation of sub-problems, determining the response of a problem solutions when the data values on which the problem depends. This states that calculus and various economic models can motivate it to be used as one and facilitate the process in a large way. Thank you.
So, in order to obtain profit optimization, we need to understand that there are three functions of economy. The cost function of each production, which is C, the amount of production function, which is Q, the revenue function, which is R, and the profit function, which is pi. If all the product units are sold, the relationship of the function is as follows. Pi equals R minus C. So, if pi derivative is less than 0, then in the economy the profit optimization is obtained. And it's really simple, even though it sounds a bit hard, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to solve it with no problem.
Okay, to conclude, we could say that mathematics are used in many ways in our lives. They can be as simple as using 1 plus 1 or 2 plus 2, or it can be more complicated, like using derivatives and functions, like differential calculus. But overall, math is always needed, and that is why it is very important to us to understand it very well.